But I totally disagree with that statement. Women can surely combine both career and they have important skills and both of them. But when compared to nowadays,
Loudly he's speaking in Telugu over my ears.
Women for every country is there. Stability for country is one situation. Situation for the one the created setting personal life. Women can balance the both personal life and career life. This is the one of the situation for every
You all should do it slow as a process. Okay. How say we are?
అయిపోయింది.
I totally agree with what Captain said, ma'am. Because women are traditionally born with doing multitasking in their homes. In similar way, they can manage their home and work together in parallelly. We can see many examples around us, like our mother and neighbors who are working and managing their home kids, etc. So I totally agree with what Arvind said.
I partially agree with Durga what she told. And there are some women who cannot successful also because of the family. They are not going to successful in both career and their home. They are stopping their studies. Still they have so many goals, but they didn't do it properly because of the family. I am Kaushalya. I am totally disagree with what Hashika said because nowadays we can see our parents, that generation itself, they went to job and they are doing it, they are taking care of us very nicely. So this is the one thing we can think like a woman can do everything if she thinks that she has the ability to do so.
And the woman is working and it's support the family. Those who are supported as well as success.
That's the both personal life and career life, which was seen in the Lakshmi Agarwal. He is attacked by the acid attack in 2001, which was she faces circular in society. Acid attack is one of the crucial part in her life, which was totally rooted in her life. But coming to after 10 days, she attended the course for daily 3 times, 4 times, and she banned the acid attacks in the and she was actively participating in the scams, which was not. And the Sudhamurthy, they can have a wife of a Narayana, where she faced where women is not eligible for this job.
Who is that laughing so loudly? Girls.
Is eligible for this job and it is not applicable for you. And this is only the first step she faced the Sudhamurthy in the engineering line, and she also faced career government career society.
Yes, that's a good example, ma'am. I agree with Afshan. What happened, sir?
Good morning, madam. Now we are discussing about that men cannot manage both their professional and personal life. We cannot say that both are correct. If they can manage their professional life, they cannot manage their personal life. For example, is that nowadays we are seeing baby care centers and old age homes. If they can manage both their professional and personal life, why do these exist? So I cannot say that I completely agree or disagree. So there are both side factors for this.
It is a responsibility for every person in the society to take care of his parents and the children. It is not important. It is a responsibility to raise.
strongly disagree with the statement. Women cannot manage both professional and personal. Because if they manage personal life, professional life will be gone. If professional life is made better, personal life definitely they cannot manage.
I partially don't agree with this statement. Because in olden days, there are most of the members like Sudha Murthy, like Mother Teresa, they manage professional life very.
Mother Teresa don't take it as an example because she dedicated her entire life.
Systems. They dedicated their entire life for the professional only, not for their personal. And
Well, I agree. Working and taking care of children is not a big deal to women. And women are the multitasking perfectionist, which has the boon given by God. They can do both the jobs. They can do both the jobs.
Wait, let her finish 1 minute.
If they are specialists in multitasking, then why men should be all in other activities? Why should not women in not all activities? Even men can invent more than women.
I disagree with this statement. In Africa, most of the women are working. In Africa, most of the women are working and men are going to military. And these are the women who take care of whole family.
This is a special case, ma'am. That government took all men to military so that they are in damage, they are attacked by military, so they are women are take caring them. If they are not take to military, if women go to military, means what would they are? If they are multitasking, they should be go and protect their country.
Based on the defense, like they are allowing the women also. 3 members are there.
Kiran Bedi, she is a first IPS officer.
That's a very good example, Mama.
She also servicing for the
By
society.
statistics, by 100%, there is a 5% of chance to get succeed women. 95% chance of women cannot succeed both professional life and personal life.
I can tell the example. You are friends between us, ma'am. You are the big example and we can see both. You are managing your children and you are managing your...
For every 100 women, only 5 women are getting success.
You agree with, disagree with what Durga is saying, okay?
For example, you can manage home as well as work. You are multitasker. Multitasker and also good manager. You are born with good skills. Managing home, managing career. Women are good dreamers as well as goal achievers.
Women can manage.
Women are good dreamers as well as goal achievers. Men can.
I think it is not easy. I think it is not easy for every woman to maintain stability in professional life and their career.
No problem, you read it, no problem.
Whenever a woman needs to are willing to do the job, they require help of family people much more to achieve good results in both equally. There isn't any question that the women who are supported effectively not their rate in their lifestyles.
Okay, another round.
I disagree with him. I disagree with him because we, in our own home, we have an example who take care of their children home, the in-laws and many, and she worked too. So I disagree with him. In this sense, I can say that women can successfully manage both work and care, home successfully.
Like our first Prime Minister Indira Gandhi, who managed her professional life, who managed her professional life and as well as personal life by managing in the same way.
If they can manage, not, madam, every country has its own traditions, madam. For example, he said about South Africa, madam, where women are leading their career, he said no, madam. In our country, if such a thing happens, and now some women are fighting against divorce, madam, why do these situations arise? The main one thing is in respect to mother-in-law and father-in-law. I mean, they should take care of their children. So this will arise, madam. So it's completely, I disagree with it.
Actually, this is totally dependent upon the man. If he allows this, she can do. According to me, I will think that all the men should support her wife. Then only she will go and she can do both things as a nice job.
Those traditions are different.
For every woman, their mother and father are they are good. But why mother-in-law and father-in-law are not good?
Because he has
If they can manage both professional and personal life, then why divorces are more increasing in today's life? Why relations are breaking? If they can manage both, this should be according to statistics, this should be decreased.
depends on his family, and it is the responsibility to tell the husband about his parents and about the family, how she should mingle with them. He should take care of their parents and her husband's parents too. And for marriage also they are asking
Finally,
marriage also they are asking a working girl or women. So it's not like that they can't manage both sides. We can't say when they can manage if
other women cannot manage, madam.
For
Either it's personal or professional life.
I want to conclude that a woman have capable to do anything, to do multitasking. She is capable to do, and that for every, as we all know, for every successful woman there is for every successful woman, their husband should support him. He should give a encourage to her.
For every man to be successful also
There is a woman.
for every unsuccessful man also there are two women at the back.
women cannot manage both professional and personal life. For every successful man, there is a woman. For every successful woman also there is a
Other women
man.
cannot succeed, madam. That is a fact, madam. That's why what
So the conclusion is they need support. He's saying the same thing in a different way. He's saying without the support of the husbands, women will not be. That is 100% true. This is off record. For example, in my case also today my husband is taking care of the family. My boys, he's taking care of the house, and I'm here taking care of the profession. In case if my husband says, no, I can't do it, then I would have been announced. Okay? Anyways, very nice. Yeah.
Those who are having patience, that kind of persons can successfully complete those tasks. But women only can she can only manage everything in a family. With one candidate in life, like that only for every one's family, one woman with one woman only can successful. What can
Yeah. I was really very happy. I think it's almost over. You have summed up, right? I was very, very happy with this particular group. controversial topic, but they really handled it very well. It wasn't more of a, it wasn't like a fight or anything, because there were few of them who were saying that it's only women and so on. But there was a nice conclusion, summary that was given. Okay, so it has to be balanced. Okay, so that way I think even though it was a controversial topic, it was very dealt with all the members of your